Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 16th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Commerce Bancshares. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Commerce Bancshares has just released their second quarter earnings, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Commerce Bancshares reported a net income of $152.5 million for the second quarter of 2025, with earnings per share at $1.04. This is an improvement from both the previous quarter and the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on these results?
Commerce Bancshares has shown strong performance this quarter. The net income increase is primarily driven by higher net interest income, which reached $280.1 million, up by $11 million from the previous quarter. This reflects the bank's ability to capitalize on higher loan demand and effective asset repricing.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.02 for this quarter, based on a survey of 6 analysts. Commerce Bancshares exceeded these expectations with an actual EPS of $1.40. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a significant beat, with the actual EPS surpassing the forecast by 12 cents. It indicates that Commerce Bancshares is effectively managing its operations and capitalizing on market opportunities, which is a positive sign for investors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Commerce Bancshares reported non-interest income of $165.6 million and an efficiency ratio of 54.8%. They also announced the acquisition of FineMark Holdings. How do these factors play into their future outlook?
The increase in non-interest income, driven by trust fees and bank card transaction fees, highlights the bank's diversified revenue streams. The efficiency ratio improvement suggests effective cost management. The acquisition of FineMark Holdings is strategic, expanding their market reach and service capabilities, which should support long-term growth.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO John Kemper mentioned the strong return on assets at 1.95% and return on equity at 17.4%. What strategic initiatives are driving these metrics?
John Kemper emphasized the bank's focus on loan growth, strong fee income, and disciplined expense management. These initiatives are crucial for maintaining high returns on assets and equity. The bank's strategic focus on expanding its loan portfolio and enhancing fee-based services is clearly paying off.
Key takeaways. In summary, Commerce Bancshares has delivered a strong performance in the second quarter of 2025, with significant earnings growth and strategic initiatives like the FineMark acquisition. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Commerce Bancshares is well positioned for future growth, and investors should keep an eye on their strategic developments.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Commerce Bancshares' performance in the comments below.